throttle mount. This guy here is having fault. Okay, I want to teach how you can use it. So this video I'm going to teach you how you can use your. I'm going to lose it. I'm going to use star. This bunch of these tools is this particular one here. Okay, it's have 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, then the last one, which is 4. So let me teach you how you can use it. Okay, so let's go. Here is the engine bay. Here's the second bolt. Show the seat box. Show the bolt they show. Here is the second bolt. Third bolt. A little bit stressed, okay. Just keep losing it. Infinity FX35 injector mat. So I'm losing it out. It's faulty. Okay, this is how to lose it. It's very easy, but it's somehow hard. Here's the third boot. So I'm losing the last one. This last one is hidden. Okay, let me check if you can see it. There is face down this place. Down here. Okay, so you will see it for just it's awesome. This last bolt is hidden. It's very hard to remove. Just have to be sensitive in removing it so that the bolt won't be cut broken. It's okay. You see, you only just feel it with your hand. Okay. Okay, so here is the last one. The last bolt is hard, but just have to lose it. Okay, so here is the last one. Yeah. Alright, so I've just lost the 4 bolts, so I want to remove it. It will be hard, but just wingle it so it will pull out. Okay, do you see that? So here is it. Injector mount on Infinity FX35. This is how it looks like. Here is the connector. Here is it. You see that? Got blocked. See that?